In this video, we'll be discussing holiday packages. First, we'll talk about what is a holiday package and how is it useful. Then we'll jump into the back end and we'll walk through how to set this up on your own and how easy it is to create a new one whenever you need. So first, what is a package? Well, if we scroll down on our menu here, you'll see we have all sorts of items. We have salads, we have appetizers, we have pastas and entrees, and this could be overwhelming for some people. So we could simplify that by grouping items into a package, and they could even have holiday themes. So for example, at the top of my page here, I have some Thanksgiving packages and some Christmas packages. And these could be split into two types. First, we have a chef's choice package, and then we have a selectable package. So a chef's choice package would be something like this Thanksgiving Made Easy. I click select, and it'll automatically add meals into my cart. So in this case, that includes dinner rolls, turkey gravy, a salad, turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and a pie. So with one click, I have this nice little package here. I can continue to check out, and for $260, my family is fed. But now let's say the customer wants to have a little bit of choice. In that case, we would do something like a selectable package. So this traditional Thanksgiving, when I click on this, we see we have options. So first is choose your entree. We have turkey, ham, and roast beef. In this case, I also have turkey that's carved for an additional $15. So you could have upcharges on certain meals. Then I have choose your sides. I have two choices, and these are full trays. So I'll choose my baked ziti and my sausage stuffing. I could choose an apple pie. And then I could see that this package automatically includes some items like dinner rolls, turkey gravy, and salad. Again, I just click add to bag. And just like that, I'll go ahead and click continue. I have a $380 order in just a couple of clicks. It's very simple for the customer to use, and they'll have enough food for their family. Next, we'll move into the back end, and I'll show you how we build these and how simple it is to replicate. Okay, so we're in the back end now as the admin. I am on my menu page, so this is where I could see all of the meals that I've added so far, and we'll sort this so that we can see my packages. And first, we'll touch on that Chef's Choice package. So I'll find my Thanksgiving Made Easy. And of course, you're going to set your title, any description, and price. We're going to go over to the Items tab. And from here, since this is all Chef's Choice, we're just going to stick to this preset items and click Set Meals. So you can see we could simply check which items we want to include. If I click Show Included, it'll show everything that comes with this. This is also where you could change quantities and size. So maybe you wanted to give some extra dinner rolls, you could change the quantity. Or maybe instead of a half tray of stuffing, you wanted to give a full tray, you would simply just swap that out here. Then we would just click back and OK, and that package is done. Now for the selectable package, it's very similar. So we'll come to our traditional Thanksgiving, and we'll come back over to the Items tab. Now for this package, we did have some items that were preset, such as the dinner rolls and the salad. But we're going to go back, and now we're going to go to selectable items, and you'll see we have some components here. So a component is when the customer has a choice. So for example, here was the choose your entree with a minimum and maximum of 1. You could disregard these pricing boxes for now. These are for more advanced packages. We're just going to go straight to set meals. And just like before, we would come through and check on or off any items we wanted to include. I'll hit show included so we could see here are the items that I added, including that $15 upcharge for the carved turkey. Go back, and we would just create as many components as you want. So for example, again, here was our choose your sides with the minimum and maximum of 2. And when we click set meals, show included, here were the options that the customer had. Now, a really easy way to check your work would be simply to come to your orders page and click create manual order. This will show you the menu as if you were the customer, and you could even place an order for the customer if they call the order in on the phone. And I'll go ahead and click on the traditional Thanksgiving. And again, you could just double check your work, make sure that all the meals that you wanted to add are there, and it would be that simple. And just like that, you have some really easy to order packages that make it easy to collect large orders in bulk for customers. Be sure to check out some of our other videos for more in-depth guides. For now, thanks for watching.